Ever wondered if there's a simple yet effective exercise that can be incorporated into your fitness routine? An exercise that elevates the heart rate, improves strength, agility, and endurance, all while being easy to perform almost anywhere? There is one, and it's called high knees. High knees is one of those exercises that looks deceptively simple, yet when done correctly, can provide a vigorous cardio workout, target your core, and build lower body strength. Before diving into how to do high knees, it's essential to understand its benefits. High knees not only engage and strengthen the core, but also work on several muscles in the body, including the abs, hips, thighs, calves, and hamstrings. It's a versatile exercise that can be done anywhere, anytime, no equipment needed. Let's break down the steps of doing high knees correctly. Step 1. Stand straight, feet hip-width apart. Keep your hands comfortably on your hips. This is your starting position. Step 2. Raise your right knee towards your chest as high as you can. Stay on the balls of your feet and keep your abdominal muscles tight. Step 3. Lower your right knee and immediately bring up your left knee. This should mimic a running motion. Step 4. Repeat this alternating pattern, raising each knee to your chest as fast as you can. Remember, the key is to keep your abs engaged throughout the exercise, maintain a straight posture, and make sure your knee comes up to your chest level. To summarize, high knees is a versatile exercise that can be incorporated into any fitness routine. It's simple yet effective, providing a full body workout, strengthening several muscle groups, and improving cardiovascular health. The steps are straightforward. Stand straight, raise your knee as high as you can, lower it, and immediately raise the other knee. Remember to keep the core engaged, maintain a straight posture, and bring your knee up to your chest level. With these points in mind, you can make the most of this exercise. So why not give high knees a try? It's an excellent addition to any fitness routine, providing a full body workout without needing any equipment. Whether you are a home gym enthusiast or someone looking for an effective exercise to do anywhere, high knees can be your go-to option. Incorporate high knees into your routine and feel the difference in your strength, agility, and endurance. Happy exercising!